Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. You can see behind me here, we're not in my normal garage. We're actually at my daily job, and we're going to be working on the old Chevy Silverado there, the 2000 model. She's got a crack in the frame, so we're going to weld her up, hopefully. So hang around and I'll show you how we're going to fix it. Alright y'all, I'm going to start this video out and say don't do what I do. I am not a professional welder. I don't recommend anybody doing this on their own, but I feel confident in my welding abilities to get it patched up good enough that I feel comfortable driving it. If this was somebody else's vehicle, I wouldn't do it. So just wanted to throw that out there and let you all know that don't try this at home. I am an untrained professional. Alright y'all, here's what we got. See that crack right there? I think it's a rust crack, but it shouldn't be that bad to repair. We're going to lift her up on the rack. Hopefully this is right in front of the back axle. Hopefully the tire will drop down just enough to give us access in there. We don't have to take the tire or anything off, but yep, that's what we got. So I'm going to get her up in here and we'll grab some steel and we'll get to welding. Alright y'all, we got this up on the lift here, and that crack closed up really nice, so I'm going to get in there with a grinder and see if we can't grind that out some. It still seems pretty solid, just cracked, so I'm going to try to get in there with a grinder, open it up a little bit, and then we're going to lay a bead of weld down it, smooth that out, and then put our plates of stuff across there. So let me get all that stuff set up and we'll get to doing that and get her done. Alright, headphone users beware. We're going to grind away. Alright, we got down in there a little bit. Now I'm going to try to get the surface out here a little bit better. Alright, get that wiped down and we'll get the welder over here and we'll try to lay a bead on her. Alright y'all, got that all cleaned up and see if we can lay a bead on there. Oh yeah. Yeah, she got a little thin right there. We're going to come down here on the bottom side because that's a big hole, so come down here on the bottom side and see if we can get this one. Yeah, it's a little thin down on that bottom side too, but that's okay. We got a plate here that's going to cover this up here, and a piece that's going to run along this bottom. So let me grab my grinding stuff and we'll get that cleaned up. See if we can't get that plate fitted in there. Alright y'all, I'm going to switch over to the air grinder here. Just easier to get it in here. So, and I think this is like a 60 grit. So. Alright y'all, I think that smoothed that out pretty nice. I'm going to grab my steel that we're going to make the rest of the patches out of, and I'll show you what we got going there, and we'll get to doing that. Alright y'all, This is some 1/4 by 1 inch I had laying around, so it was used for something else. There's a piece welded on there. It ain't no big deal, but my plan is we're going to come across the bottom here, kind of like that, probably out into that area there. And there is already a weld in the frame right here, so I'm going to go from there, probably back to about right here, and put that piece in. And then I got some 3/16 plate that will put in the rest of the top up here. So, but I wanted the heavier. I wish I had a whole piece of 1/4, but I don't. And I'm trying to just use pieces that I have around. So let me get this cut down and cleaned up, and we'll get to welding this one in. All right, y'all. I got that area all cleaned up there. We're gonna tack this thing in. Oh yeah. That's gonna look good there. See if we can get in here on this bottom side. Don't laugh at my weld, y'all. So, alright. Yeah, that's going to be nice. So, I'm going to go ahead and tack this side in. That'll be good for that one. So, let's do this. Alright. I'm going to go welder in solid. Alright. That looks pretty darn good. So, just need to go across the bottom down here, and I think we'll have it. So, alright. I'm going to get that done, and we'll be moving on. Alright, that looks like a bunch of bubble gum, but that was left-handed and upside down, so hey, it is what it is, y'all. We gotta get her fixed before we can go pulling. So, alright, I'm gonna get my other piece of steel up here and get it measured out, laid out, and cut out, and we'll get it welded in. Alright, y'all, here's my piece for this chunk here. Get it in there. So get that welded in there like that, and get a tack on her. Alright. I'm going to weld it out to about the crack there, and this, see this end sticking out a little bit, so I'm going to weld her out a little bit, and we'll get a hammer and drive her in there. there she be. I'm gonna grab me a hammer, see if we can't drive that back in, and we'll get it tack welded in. Alright, y'all. Got that kind of bent around. Get that pushed in. Alright. Good tack on there. We're going to go ahead and finish welding her out. Alright, I'm going to lay another bead across the top here, finish filling that in, and I think we'll be good. Not bad. Alright, y'all, got it all welded in there. I'm going to let her cool, and then we're going to give her a little shot of flood film. Just try to, I guess, save it a little bit. Yeah, doesn't look half bad, doesn't look half good, but either way, it's welded up. I feel confident, it's solid, and we can go tractor pulling again. So, yeehaw. Alright, got a little of the little flood film. So, I'm going to give a little coat of that. Ooh, she's still hot. Maybe we're not going to give it a coat of the flood film. Okay, apparently I'm out of it, so I'll have to get another can, and I can do it at home. So, alright. Alright, y'all, that's going to do it for this video. Appreciate y'all hanging out here with me in the shop while I'm working on my rusty junk. Appreciate y'all, give me the thumbs up here if you like it. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs up anyways. I deserve it. Anyways, just joking. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. We do all kinds of stuff, like crazy stuff like this. Tractor pulling and, working on my rusty junk, small engine repair. Just all kinds of stuff. So appreciate it, and hope to catch you all on the next one. So thanks for watching.